In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import a project in Hubstaff. To get started, make sure you're already signed into your Hubstaff account and that you're on the main dashboard. This process is very quick, but it helps to know exactly where to click so everything goes smoothly. First, look for the Project Management section in the main navigation area. Depending on your layout, this may appear in the sidebar or along the top menu. Go ahead and click on Project Management. This is where Hubstaff organizes the tools related to creating, tracking, and managing projects, so it's the right place to begin if you want to bring in an existing project. Once you're inside the Project Management area, find and click on Project. This will take you to the section where your current projects are listed and where project-related actions are available. If you manage multiple projects, this page is especially useful because it gives you a central place to review and update them. After that, look for the Import Project option and click on it. This is the action that starts the import process. If you don't see it immediately, take a moment to scan the page carefully, since menu placement can vary slightly depending on your version of Hubstaff or your account permissions. And that's it for the basic process of importing a project in Hubstaff. The key path to remember is Project Management, then Project, and then Import Project. If you're following along for the first time, it can be helpful to move slowly and confirm each page has fully loaded before clicking the next option. One useful tip is to make sure you're importing into the correct workspace or organization if your Hubstaff account includes more than one. That can help you avoid confusion later when you're trying to locate the imported project. It's also a good idea to double check that you have the necessary permissions, since some project actions may only be available to admins or managers. If the page looks a little different from what you expected, don't worry. Platform interfaces can change over time, but the overall flow is usually very similar. Just stay focused on the project-related menu options, and you should be able to find the import feature without much trouble. That's how to import a project in Hubstaff. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.